For today's video, we will show you how to create PayPal business account for freelancers. So let's begin. Now, I need you to go to your mobile device and open the PayPal app, log in using your credentials, or just go here at paypal.com. Now, here are the reasons why freelancers choose PayPal, because it's globally trusted. You get paid quicker, you're protected, and you can go global. Now, here are some of the best freelance marketplaces and platforms for you to check in: Upwork, 99 Designs, Freelancer.com, and Fiverr. All we're gonna do is click on sign up today so we can create our business account. From here, you can choose personal account, where you can shop online from millions of global sellers, send and receive payments globally, shop with confidence with buyer protection, or simply choose business account because that's for today's video, where you can send and receive payments under a business name, 24/7 online fraud monitoring and seller protection, no setup, monthly or hidden fees. All you're gonna do is click next. You will be directed to a new page wherein you need to create a business account. You need to put in your first name, your middle name if applicable, your last name, and your business email address, your unique password, and of course you need to check this and agree and create an account. Okay? And say for example you are having problems creating an account here in PayPal for a business account. All you're gonna do is go to contact and tell them you are having problems creating a PayPal business account for you as a freelancer, okay? And they'll be more than glad to assist you with whatever concerns you have with regards to your business account here in PayPal. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you all in the next one.